Amazon KDP might not actually be for you. Now, I know that sounds very strange, especially when it's coming from somebody that has been making money selling books on Amazon over a couple of years. But after mentoring a lot of people on Amazon KDP, I started noticing something that is very interesting. Some people that joined my mentorship program, following the same steps, using the same strategies, end up making money from Amazon KDP after a couple of months. But for others, they struggle even though I taught them exactly the same thing. So the question I started asking myself is that why is it that some people actually succeed on Amazon KDP while others struggle to make progress? It took me a long time to figure it out, but after observing my students over the years, I discovered something very fascinating. The people who succeed usually tend to have certain traits in common, while the people who struggle also tend to share similar patterns. In this video, I want to share with you the real reason why some people succeed after I mentor them while others don't. And if you're thinking of starting Amazon KDP this year, or you want to join any of my mentorship programs this year, then this video will save you a lot of time and frustration. Now, the first reason is that the type of person you are actually matters. At the beginning of every mentorship program, I tend to do this short introduction. Everybody gets to say who they are and what they do for a living. And it's actually very, very interesting because people that join my mentorship program come from different walks of life. Some are students, some are data analysts, some are business people, some are stay-at-home parents, some are even pastors from different areas of life. And at first, I used to assume that if I teach everybody the same strategy, then everybody should get similar results. Over time, I now realize that some group of persons usually tend to do better on Amazon KDP than others. Not because they are smarter or they are more talented, but simply because the way they already think and work fits perfectly to how Amazon KDP already works. So from my experience, people that actually do very well on Amazon KDP falls within these certain categories: aspiring entrepreneurs, creatives, stay-at-home parents, students and young professionals, online sellers, and people who actually love self-improvement. This group of people usually succeed because they already have the mindset of experimentation. They are curious, they are willing to learn, and they are comfortable trying new things online. So if you fall within any of these categories, there's a high chance that you can actually do very well on Amazon KDP. But this is actually just one piece of the puzzle. The other thing is actually more even important than what I just mentioned now. And the second reason is execution. Most people don't do the work. One thing I always do during my mentorship program is to give assignments. So we hold classes every Saturdays and Sundays. So at the end of the Sunday session, I usually give assignments based on what we have learned for that particular week. So for example, if I teach on niche research, I can give an assignment that you should go and look for 2 or 3 niches that actually fit into the criteria that I've shown you in the class. So by Friday, you're actually supposed to submit the assignment so that I can have time to review it before our next class on Saturday. But this is the surprising part. Most people don't actually do that assignment until Friday. Sometimes some people even submit it Friday night. And some people don't even do their own at all. And remember, this is actually a mentorship program and it is not free. People actually pay good money to join this mentorship program, but still they don't want to do the thing that would actually help them succeed on Amazon KDP. At first, I used to be very, very frustrated about the whole thing. But later on, I realized that people have jobs, they have families, they have other things that they're actually doing with their time and their life. But for the students that actually practice what they learned during these classes and what I teach them, they end up getting better results than others. Because the truth is that knowledge alone does not produce results. It is execution that does. The third reason is that Amazon KDP is actually hard work. Another thing I tell people is that Amazon KDP is not easy money. And if anyone is telling you online that it is easy money, the person just trying to overhype the whole thing. Yes, you can actually make serious money from Amazon KDP, and some people have actually built big businesses from selling books on Amazon KDP, but it actually requires effort. You have to do your research, you have to analyze your competitors, you have to create your own books, you have to design your own covers, you have to run ads, you have to continuously improve on your books, and that is actually a whole lot of work. And sometimes when people come to me so that I will mentor them, they come with a mindset that I would actually do all the work for them. But the truth is that that is not how mentorship works. My role is to teach you, guide you in the right direction, help you avoid mistakes, and speed up your learning process. I can't do the work for you. I remember one of the people that I taught during my mentorship program After she had seen the amount of work that is required to actually make money on Amazon KDP, she just said that this work is just too much, I can't do it, and she quit. And honestly, that is very okay because Amazon KDP is not actually for everybody. The final factor here that actually determines if you are going to succeed on Amazon KDP or not is for those people that actually want something I call babysitting treatment. Some people just want to be spoon-fed every step of the way, even something that a simple Google search can solve. Imagine someone is using Adobe Illustrator. The person now calls me and says, please, can you show me how I can change the fonts on Adobe Illustrator? That's literally a 10 seconds Google search and you already know exactly what to do. Mentorship is not babysitting. There are some things that you have to figure out by yourself, and there are some things that I would have to actually give you guidance on what to do. So for example, if you find a niche and you are still unsure if this niche is something that is going to be very profitable, you can always reach out to me and I will look at the niche with you, analyze the niche with you, tell you the things that you are supposed to do if you want to succeed in the niche. But calling me every 2 minutes to help you explain basic stuff is not sustainable at all. The students who succeed are independent learners. They try to solve the problem first. Then after that, they come to me for guidance if they truly need it. Now, before I end this video, I quickly want to address something. Last year, I was supposed to hold a mentorship program at the ending of the year, but it did not hold. And I sincerely apologize to people that were actually looking forward to it. People had already even signed up for the mentorship program, but it did not hold due to some unforeseen circumstance. I've not even been posting on my channel for about 3 months now. So this year, things will be different. Instead of doing a large group mentorship program, I will start a one-on-one mentorship program. But I know that a lot of people will not be able to afford a one-on-one mentorship program. So what I decided to do was to create something new. And this is going to be an inner circle for KDP publishers. So inside this circle, you are going to get fully recorded videos of my previous mentorship programs, where you get step-by-step guidance on Amazon KDP publishing. You also get access to my private KDP community, a weekly question and answer session where you get to ask questions and get answers from me directly. The total value of my mentorship program is $150. Then the inner circle membership fee is $30, which will normally bring a total of $180. But you are not going to pay that today. What I decided to do was that I'm going to bring it down to $60. And for the first 100 people to join, they are going to pay only $30. And if you join within the next 24 hours, you get an additional 20% discount. So instead of paying $30, you pay only $24. So if you are interested, click the link in the description so that you can quickly join. And if you have not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now. There's actually a new way of making money on Amazon KDP, which a lot of people don't even know about. An interesting thing about this strategy is that it does not require you to start publishing books in a different niche. You don't even need to spend a lot of money on ads, and you don't need to create plenty books. In fact, the books you already have can start generating 2 times or 3 times the amount of money it is currently making on Amazon. This strategy is actually called complementary books. When I first discovered it, it completely changed my approach to publishing books on Amazon KDP. Instead of trying to publish a new book, trying to chase one trend or the other, I primarily just focus on creating books that sell together. And what happens is so powerful. When somebody buys one book from you, they will naturally tend to buy another book from you again. So instead of making one sale, you end up start making multiple sales from the same customer. This is one of the biggest reasons why my books have been generating consistent sales over the couple of years on Amazon KDP. Most Amazon KDP publishers tend to overlook this strategy. They prefer to be jumping from one niche to the other, looking for the next big opportunity. And they ignore this simple strategy, which can actually increase their sales and make it very consistent. So if you want to learn exactly how complementary books works on Amazon KDP, then you should watch this video here where I show you the step-by-step strategy that I use to make complementary books on Amazon so that you can apply the same strategies to your own Amazon KDP journey and start making more money for yourself.